Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a CV joint on a Toyota Corolla. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging park or gear, and chalking the rear wheels to prevent movement. Then jack the front, support it on stands, and remove the wheel to expose the axle. Keep track of fasteners and take photos for reference to make reassembly simple and stress-free. Start with a warm and clear plan. Lay out tools, parts, and a clean workspace. Loosen the axle nut slightly before lifting, then remove the wheel and brake caliper for access. Use a pry bar to free the drive shaft from the hub if needed and inspect the hub bearing and seals for damage. Keep parts organized and label bolts to simplify the reinstallation process. Work methodically. Detach suspension links and separate the hub to free the axle, then slide the old CV assembly out carefully. Replace the joint or the complete axle, pack the new boot with the correct grease, and secure all clamps and snap rings firmly. Reinstall the axle into the hub, reconnect ball joints, torque the axle nut to spec, and reassemble brakes and wheel. Finally, lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.